Today we are going to spring clean the bathroom. That means working from the top to the bottom. Let's get started. Spring cleaning tip, make sure to wipe off the fixtures from all the dust and your walls, and make sure the outlets get wiped down too. When you're cleaning a toilet, you always want to start with disinfecting the outside of the toilet. Work your way from the top to the bottom. I like to use a disinfectant spray. You can also use Clorox wipes, whatever's going to really clean and disinfect the outside. And then we can work on the inside. Bathroom tip, use different color microfibers, one for the sink and then one for the toilet. Pro tip, make sure to get up underneath the rim because you get a lot of hard water that comes out and build up because you have black marks underneath. So this bowl swab really allows me to reach up underneath and to clean it out. Okay, Safety Foam did a really great job cleaning around the toilet, but it can't reach where water always sits. So that's where a pumice stone comes in. To use a pumice stone, make sure to soak it so that it won't scratch your toilet. And once it's soaked, then you're going to rub it back and forth to lift that iron and hard water. I like this one. It has a handle so that you can really reach down and get the areas without touching the water. When it comes time to clean the floors and baseboards, make sure you vacuum up first so you don't get a muddy mess. And then you can use a floor cleaner or a disinfectant. I like using one that's safe on the floors to make sure it's nice and clean. And then I just use a wet microfiber cloth and wipe it up. So let's spring clean this sink. So to start, shake it and then just apply a small amount of clean cream, and we're gonna work it around with our different tools. I'm gonna work the solution in with this sponge that comes in our bundle and just scrub it in. Now the most important thing with a cleaner is to let it sit and do the work. So we're gonna scrub it in and then let it dwell. Here's a cleaning tip. Make sure you get under the faucet to really break apart that hard water buildup. This is the best little brush. All right, Clean Cream did a great job removing most of the buildup. Now, when you have really, really tough buildup like this hard water deposits around, I'm gonna have to use a cleaner that's slightly more acidic, which is Bathroom Power. Always be careful around fixtures, especially oil rubbed bronze, so I'm not gonna let it sit on it, but I'm really gonna try and work it up into that hard water to remove it. Anywhere that Bathroom Power is sitting on the fixture, I'm immediately wiping off with a wet microfiber, but then letting Bathroom Power work in all the other areas. I'm just going to use my polishing cloth to just wipe up any excess water so it looks nice and shiny, which is how I like to leave the bathroom. A cleaning tip, make sure to wipe down your doors on the inside and outside to have a nice spring clean feel to your bathrooms. The last steps when cleaning a bathroom is the mirror, polishing the sink, and then wiping the floor, then you're done in the bathroom. To clean the mirror today, I have my Glass Shine, which is a foaming spray, and I love pairing it with a glass polishing cloth. So it helps leave things streak-free. You just use a little bit of product, and then use your polishing cloth. Last step to cleaning the bathroom is the floor. So I'm going to use my Microfiber Mop. I have the nice 10-inch base that fits really good around the toilet and a damp microfiber pad. I'm going to put that on and work and clean the floors.